It's 6 o'clock a.m. and I woke up to this breathtaking view. Oh my goodness, like I would say this over and over again. Being an African is a blessing. I mean, this is in Africa. To sit in here, watch people fish in here makes my soul rejoice. Waking up hearing the sound of a chirping bird in here is the best meditation music ever. What else do you want? This place is just beautiful. I just have no words to describe what my naked eyes is seeing. I know most of you will be wondering, where is this stunning paradise? Yes, I said it. As you can see, this is a stunning paradise that needs to be shown to the world. That is why I came here. This is
Ghana. I'm so cool I went to Africa. Back at school they would laugh at us. Now it's cool to be black as fuck. Now it's cool to be from Africa, huh? Went to Ghana, now I'm acting up. Went to Ghana, now I'm acting up. It's so cool to be from Africa. It's so cool to be from Africa. I'm so cool I went to Africa.
a Ghanaian-owned resort located 30 kilometers away from the busy, bustling city of Kumasi. For me, being here, I must conclude that this place is indeed a weekend getaway in Ghana. My name is Wadamaya, a proud village boy from Ghana, and I must confess that I found a perfect, peaceful place to hide in Ghana. Good morning to each and every one. I hope you all are doing good. Like I said, I found a perfect, peaceful place to be in Ghana. I don't know why people don't do videos in Ashanti region, because man, if I never came in here, I would never know that the Ashanti region got a lot of things to offer. And I'm so happy, I don't know why. Like, you know, this place have everything that makes you feel at home. Like, imagine the whole village boy sleeping in here on this big bed. I mean, like I said, it's a perfect place, but I'm so sorry, this morning, this one is just slightly perfect, because how can I be sleeping here alone? I was so sad to sleep with a pillow. Unbelievable. Like a whole Wadamaya sleeping with a pillow. I've been squeezing this pillow and he's not even shouting. Oh my goodness. But anyway, come in here, come and enjoy. Everything is here. I mean, I don't want to talk too much because the camera can justify what I'm saying. And yeah, you know, I love food, so it's time to go get my breakfast. And I'm going to see you guys at the other side. I am Maya. Going for my breakfast, man. Would you love to join me? I mean, are you hungry?
Ghana.
Come with me. I mean, let's enjoy some Ghana.
I'm so cool I went to Africa.
I hope they have a Ghana authentic breakfast, because you know me, I don't like this British breakfast.
Went to Ghana, now I'm acting.
Come, let's
Went to Ghana, now I'm acting up. It's so cool to be from Africa. It's so cool to be from Africa.
Good morning. I'm hungry. The breakfast.
That was too cool to be from Africa. Went to Ghana, now I'm acting. Went to Ghana, now I'm acting up. Met the coolest youth with stamina. Eat the sweetest fruit I mashed up. Had some bomb cool, ate some food with some good stew belly buzz. Kelly Welle, ate some red with some jollof I ate up. Plantain made me cuckoo, so much good food, man, eat too much. Yam chips too added up. Man, don't be mad at us. I took a plane from Canada. I can't complain, I landed, bruh. Soon as I landed, they handed up. All of that hate ain't adding up. I took my words and just backed it up. It's always been cool to be black as fuck. Went to Ghana, now I'm acting up. Went to Ghana, now I'm acting up. Went to Ghana, now I'm acting up. It's so cool to be from Africa. It's so cool to be from Africa. It's so cool to be from Africa, huh? Went to Ghana,
one of the
now I'm
reasons
acting
why I
up.
love being here is that you get to eat everything fresh from the tree. You can look behind me. This guy is busy plucking what? Orange. And I'm definitely going to get what? A coconut, drink, eat, enjoy, and get out of here.
Yeah. Ghana.
Very sweet. streets, man. You know what? Whenever you come in here, you can also come with your friends and family. And when you come in here, you can do so many activities in here by playing volleyball.
It's so cool to be from Africa. It's so cool to be from Africa. I'm so cool I went to Africa. Back at school, they would laugh at us. Tell the truth, it was cruel.
If you got kids in here, you can also use the seesaw. I mean, I would love to swim, but I'm not a good swimmer. But I came here and saw people enjoying in Lake Bosomtwe. But hold on, I know and believe that I'm going to educate you about the Lake Bosomtwe. I mean, come with me. Let's go enjoy some authentic Ghanaian dish. That's the fufu. I hope they have kako too. Maya.
Canada, I can't complain, I landed, bro. Soon as I landed, they handed up.
The best decision I've ever made in my entire life is to spend a weekend at Wildwin Resort. You know, fufu is originated from the Ashanti Kingdom, yeah? So eating fufu from here makes my day. Please, I don't want to be a bad YouTuber, so I'm just offering you all a bone. At least I've done something, yeah? Oh my God. Don't forget to like this video. Please, don't forget to like, share. Share to all your social media platforms and subscribe if you are new to the channel. My name is Wadamaya, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Hold on.
Yeah.